I'm Sophia Khazai from Khazai Rug. In the eye of a dry cleaner or carpet cleaner, these all are the same. I'm going to show you these rugs, why they're different, and we'll explain to you why we treat them differently. This is a machine made, $100. This is a wool flat weave, reversible, maybe $200. This is a Pakistani wool rug. This is a 120 years old Persian rug, 120 years old. This is a silk and wool Indian rug, maybe around $1,500. And that's 100% silk Persian, $40,000. Basically, every rug that comes to us, we consider as an art on the floor. The rug that is 100% silk, we're going to treat it differently. The first step we do here, before we touch your rug, we inspect your rug. We want to make sure we find out what origin, what kind of wool they used, what kind of dye, if it's a vegetable dye or if it's a synthetic dye, the weave, the origin. These are all important elements. The construction of the rug is so important in all the process we're going to do with the rug. And also we check and inspect your rug for the stain. The stain you have in your rug probably is from the dog urine, cat urine, or food stain. Again, we have to find out what is exactly in your rug because the process is going to be different. We don't treat food stain the same way we treat the dog urine. And please feel free to contact us and get the free information about your rug, the age, and what kind of rug you have. Thank you.